Hi everyone, it's Liz from Crafty Woman Shop, and I want to welcome you to this video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make the foundation single crochet. The first step to starting foundation single crochet is to chain 2, and then you want to start working your first foundation single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So that's the first chain that you made. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Right now there are 2 loops on the hook. Now with foundation single crochet, think of it as not only are you making the chain stitch, but you're also making single crochet at the same time. So before we pull through both loops, we actually need to make the chain stitch that will sit below the first single crochet. To do so, yarn over and pull through the first loop only. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, and now we can make our single crochet. So yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. And now you've completed the first foundation single crochet. And when we take a look at this more closely, when you look at the top of the stitch, you see that typical V of what crochet stitches look like. So that's the head of the stitch right there. When you turn it to the side, you see the 2 loops that you just pulled through. So that top loop, that's part of the V, the top of the stitch. This here is part of the post of the stitch, and down here is the chain you made. When you look underneath the stitch, you'll also see a V shape. So these 2 loops right here, these are the 2 loops that we are going to work into for the next foundation single crochet. So I'm going to put my hook back in there. So to make the next foundation single crochet stitch and all the rest, you're going to use this next technique. You're going to insert the hook through the bottom V. So we've got these 2 loops here. Make sure you can see that. Yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook. Now remember, we first need to make the chain stitch that will sit below the single crochet. So yarn over, not too tightly, pull through that first loop only. We've now made a second chain. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Now we've made a second single crochet. So looking at this, we see the first chain that we made and the second, and we also have the first single crochet that we made and the second. So now you're going to make a third foundation single crochet. So on the bottom, here's that first, the bottom of the first chain, bottom of the second chain. So we're going to insert the hook into the bottom of that second chain, that V underneath there. Yarn over, pull through, not too tightly. Make that chain stitch, so yarn over, pull through the first loop. Then yarn over and pull through both loops to make the single crochet. So as you can see, with foundation crochet stitches, you're completing 2 steps at once. You're both making the chain stitch and the single crochet that is worked into that chain stitch. As you continue, you're always going to work into the bottom of the chain, that bottom V. Make a chain, and then make your single crochet. So you're always going to work into the previous chain made, the bottom. And then make that single crochet after chaining 1. And as you'll see, you'll have a nice foundation taking shape. Thank you for watching this free pattern tutorial. Be sure to visit the blog craftywomanshop.com. You can also find me on social media and stay updated with free patterns, tips, tricks, and more tutorials. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more, and go ahead and hit that like button.